Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover some hands-on part in function. So, in our last video, we already go through what is single row function, what is multi-row function. So, let's revisit this concept once. Okay, what is single row function? We already know single row function means when we provide one input to the single row function, it is going to give us one output. According to number of input, it is going to give us that particular number of output. If we provide 10 number of input, it is going to give us 10 number of output. If we provide 10 million number of input, it is going to provide us 10 million output. We can say if we provide n input, n number of input, it is going to give us n number of output. But in case of multi-row function, it is different. It is totally different. Irrespective of the number of input, it don't care about number of input, it is going to give us only single output. It means even if we provide one input, it gives us one output. Although if we provide 10 million number of input, we are also getting one output. This is the beauty of multi-row function. Okay, I think you got an overall idea what is multi-row function, different types of that 5 types of multi-row function, max, mean, average, count, sum. I think in our last video already we completed that and characteristics of multi-row function. In a single row function there is nothing that much. Okay, maybe in our next video I'm planning to explain some of single row function, maybe some 10 12 single row function. Okay, let us go do some practice question. Already the solution is there. I'm just going to explain how this queries are working. Okay, question 1, write a query to display the number of employees working in department number 20. So write a query to display. When we have to display something blindly, we can start with select statement. Select the number of employees, means the count, the total number of employees, means we are finding the count. Blindly you can write now the multi-row function count. Yeah, we can write. In count we have to provide some parameter. We know count is the only multi-row function where we are able to provide asterisk as a parameter. Yeah, we provide it already from our table. Here I am using references employee table. You can use any of your table based on that particular scenario of the question. Let us apply the condition where department number is equal to 20. We know when there is some condition, we have to provide some filter. Then we are using this where clause. This is all about this question. So if you want, let us explain the order of this query. So first of all, we know from clause execute first. This is first. Then filter is about to done. Like filter the condition. We provide this condition department number is 20. Then where clause is going to check in our table each row by row if the condition is satisfied or not. If the condition is not satisfied, it is going to give us some boolean result as false. If it is satisfied, we are getting the boolean result as true. If the result is true, then it is included. After this process is done, then the work of select statement is about to start. Whatever the rows are selected by where clause, it is going to display us. That is the shit think about this question. Let's move to next question. Write a query to display the average salary of all employees whose job is manager. Yeah, this is also similar kind of question, just like question 1. We know, I think this part is I don't have to explain you from our employee table. We are displaying the data, so select clause as we are showing this average salary, so average of sal. We know this is our column name. We already know this is one of the multi-row function. Basically out and out here we are using all multi-row functions. Already did that. Then our condition part where job is equal to manager. Okay, one thing, this if we are using MySQL, you can write this manager in double quote also. That is fine. If you are using Oracle SQL, you must have to include this single quote. You have to just think about the cache of this letter. Means manager in uppercase, you just have to follow in, or you have to write in uppercase. But in MySQL, even if you write manager in lowercase, that is fine. But it is not fine in Oracle SQL. You just have to follow exactly how it is in your table. Keep you in your mind. Okay. Third question. Write a query to display the total number of employees who have a commission. Okay. We already know in our commission table, this is our commission column. Some are getting 0, some are getting commission, let us assume 1000. In some cases nothing is there. That means the person who is getting 0, that means he is not getting anything. This person is getting 1000 rupees. But in rest of this employees place, it is showing what is the thing is, it is neither 0 or nothing. This means it is null. It is null. It is not 0. In our sum of video, I explained null is not equal to 0. 0 means you have some value. Your value is 0. Null means nothing. It is never equal to 0. This is one operator is not operator is there. So let us find this is our column name. We apply the condition. That is enough. That is enough. So let's move to our next question. The second last question. Find the minimum and maximum salary of employees joined in year 1981. So exactly same pattern. Select mean of salary, maximum salary from our employee table, where hire date like %81. It means here basically we are using this pattern matching. If the pattern is something like start with something, it is 81, then because in 1981, if you see last two, it is 81. We can do like this also. Fifth one and the last one. Write a query to display number of employees working in department number 10 with salary greater than 2000. We already know select count because we have to just find the number of employees from employee, our table name, where department number is 10. This is our first condition. And the second condition, salary is greater than 2000. Yeah, salary is greater than 2000. As we have multiple conditions, so we are using this and this is enough. These are some basic question in this function part. This is out and out we are using multi-row function. For single row function, maybe on after 1 2 video, 2 3 video, I'm planning to explain majorly 10 to 12 single row function. Okay. So this is all about this video. So thank you. I think from now we are continuously uploading the video on this SQL series. I am trying to finish this series within 2 months maximum. I'm taking 2 months. This is enough about this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel.